derivatives is called differential equation. Equation lo derivatives unte chalu. So what is the meaning of derivative? Anybody? What is the meaning of derivative? Students, derivative అంటే ఏంటమ్మా?
Derivative means explored, sir.
Derivative
Explode
means,
means
sorry, pardon.
Slope. dy by dx.
explode, sir. Operating.
Rate of change.
Yes, rate of change of variable. Rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent. Okay, like velocity, rate of change of displacement with respect to time, acceleration, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay, so derivative means rate of change of a function of single variable here. And there are two types of derivatives. Suppose the differential equation containing ordinary derivative, which is called ordinary differential equation. If the differential equation containing partial derivative, then it is called partial differential equation. So there are two types of derivatives: ordinary derivative, partial derivative. Ordinary derivatives occurs when the function depends on only one variable, but partial derivative occurs when the function depends on one or more variables, two or more variables. Okay, so differential equation means an equation which contain derivatives, right? So this is first question, no problem. So got it. Almost all know about differential equation definition. Second one, how to classify the order of differential equation. What is the order of differential equation? Students, what is the meaning of order of differential equation? How to define order?
Multiple times of derivation, sir. D square y by dx square.
Yeah.
D cube y by dx
Okay.
cube.
Yeah. D square y by dx square, dq y by dx square. So how to define it? Exact definition I want.
Highest order derivative.
Very good. The order of highest order derivative occur involved in the given differential equation. So differential equation may contain different number of orders. D square y by dx square ఉంటుంది same equation లో d cube y by dx square dx cube ఉంటుంది, dy by dx ఉంటుంది. So if there are different three types of derivatives, we consider only higher order derivative for the order. So order is nothing but the order of higher order derivative involved in the given equation. Equation lo whatever the higher order derivative, its order is order of the differential equation. Okay, right. Next, degree. How to define degree of the differential equation?
Power of higher order derivative.
Very good. The power of higher order derivative is called degree. Very good. Next, Amma. So depends on degree, differential equations are classified into two types: linear and non-linear. So now how to define linear differential equations? So my dear students, how to define linear and non-linear? Okay, so now I'm going to present my mobile screen. Students, is my screen visible ma? Paper కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir, but not
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Okay. సో ఈరోజు ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ బేసిక్స్ చూసుకుందాం. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నేను టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా. సో జనరల్లీ ఫస్ట్ అనేది డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సో డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఓడిఈ ఆర్డరీ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సెకండ్ PDE partial differential equation. So differential equation means a equation containing derivatives. Equation containing derivatives. So PDE means partial derivatives. The equation containing partial derivatives, then it is called partial differential equation. If the equation contains ordered derivatives, which is called ordinary differential equation. The second, so we have not for PDE, there's a M3 contains PDE, not only M2 only ODE. So in ODE, we have two types of differential equations. Linear differential equation, non-linear differential equation. Okay. So for ODE, we have two type order. We can classify order. We can define, we can identify its degree. Okay. So we know what is the meaning of order and we know what is the meaning of degree. So degree ante the power of higher order derivatives in the given equation. Order means the order of highest ordered derivative. Okay, this is both okay. Now linear, what is the meaning of linear? What is the meaning of non-linear? So just you define what is the meaning of degree. Degree ante em power of highest order derivative is degree annar. Okay na? If degree is 1, if the degree is equal to 1 and the power of highest order derivative is 1, then it is called linear differential equation. If the degree is 1, then the equation is called linear differential equation. What is the non-linear? Just contrast statement. The degree is not equal to 1, degree is more than 1. Non-linear. So now I'm going to get some differential equation. So let us classify. First equation. So dy by dx plus d square y by dx square plus y into dy by dx is equal to x square. This is one of the equation. Second equation, root 1 plus d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Third equation, dy by dx whole cube is equal to d square y by dx square whole square. Yeah, not square, just. So now, dear students, so these are some equation I taken, just 3 equations. So first equation, let us discuss one by one the definitions. What is the order of first equation?
2, sir.
Order is 2 because the highest order derivative is second order derivative. So it's the order is 2. So the order is 2. Order is 2. What is the degree?
1, sir.
1. If
One.
power is okay, degree is 1. Order to degree 1. Right. What about second equation?
Order 1, degree 2.
Degree 4, sir.
2 degree 1.
Order
Degree
2 degree 1.
Order 2 ama order
yes,
2
sir.
Sir,
I
squaring
think
చేయాలి sir.
degree
Root 3
4,
చేయాలి
sir. Squaring on both
Degree
sides.
1, sir.
Degree 4 అయితే sir.
డిగ్రీ 4 అవుతుంది సార్ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే.
యా. సో ఫస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటమ్మా, ఆర్డర్ అంటే హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆర్డరే ఆర్డర్. సో సెకండ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ టూ. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. గో టు డిగ్రీ.
Degree four.
డిగ్రీ అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పారు? డిగ్రీ అంటే ఏమన్నారు? హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్ పవర్
Four, sir.
డిగ్రీ అన్నాం ఇక్కడ.
1, sir.
1, sir.
ఇప్పుడు హైయెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్, దిస్ ఇస్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్, దిస్ నాట్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ స్క్వేర్ బోత్ సైడ్, దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పవర్ is 4, but second order power is 1. The power of highest order derivative is degree. So d square y by d square power is always 1. You take square also, its power not change. Power only 1. Degree also 1. If you take the square both sides, dy by dx power will be 4. But no use of this power because it is not highest order derivative. This is first order, this second order. Second order power is 1 only. So degree also 1. Okay. So first we have to make the free from radical form. Whenever the equation containing radical form, we have to make it free from radical form by taking square or on both any method you use. But after get non-radical form, see the power again, power of the highest order derivative, not highest power. See the power of highest order derivative in the equation, not highest power term. Okay, so the degree is also 1. So what about second? This equation. What is the order of this equation?
Order 2, degree 4, sir.
Order 2 degree 4.
Order 2. So okay,
Degree 4, sir.
square తీసేసా. ఇప్పుడు
Order 2 degree 2.
order 2 degree also 2.
Degree 2.
Right. So now you got some idea. Now linear differential equation, non-linear differential equation. లీనియర్ అని ఏం చెప్పానమ్మా? లీనియర్ మీన్స్ degree
1. Degree is equal to 1.
non-linear
Not equal to 1 or greater
More than 1, sir.
yes. So degree, how to consider degree అంటే degree అనేది you suppose the function and its derivative both are multiplied together. So see first example, y into dy by dx. In this case we have to calculate the degree of both powers, add y power 1 its derivative power, so the degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 1, the degree of this term is 1, power 1, but ఇక్కడ power 2 ఉన్నట్టు. This is function, it is its derivative, so consider both. So whenever finding the degree of the given differential equation, consider, suppose there is product of function and its derivative, you calculate the powers of both. Okay, so ఇక్కడ anyway the degree is 1, you consider second order derivative, no problem. Suppose ఈ y ఇక్కడ ఉంది అనుకోండి. Now degree is not 1, degree is 2 in this case. Y power 1 is 1. Okay, so linear means degree is 1, non-linear means degree not equal to 1, more than 1. Okay, so these are basic terms in differential equations. So we have the topics start from exact differential equation, directly exact differential equation ఉంది మన టాపిక్ లో, మన సిలబస్ లో exact differential equation. But first of all differential equation ఎలా వస్తుంది, what is the origin? Anyway, అంటే ఇక్కడ creation and ఇక్కడ solution main. Create అంటే how to form the differential equation, where they occur, from where they are originated. Okay, what is the origin of the differential equations, and what is the meaning of solution, their solutions. Okay, so first of all differential equations అంటే ఏంటి, ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి, what is their origin, so very important. So let us take one equation. Now I am going to take one equation, y is equal to mx. What is this, students? ఇదేంటమ్మా geometrically what is this?
Line
Straight
equation.
line.
Linear equation.
Straight line. No, okay, linear algebraic linear equation amma, this geometrically which is called line. Okay na, so it is called line equation antama, linear equation antama ikkada, because x power 1 undi, y power 1 undi, So both have same power. So which is called linear algebraic equation, and also we call linear అన్నప్పుడు line వస్తుంది, line equation. What type of line is this? There are two types of line. Y is equal to
Straight line
mx plus c
passing
ఉంటుంది.
without or passing
Passes
through
through
origin.
origin. So this line have one differential equation, its own differential equation. Any geometrical curve, whatever it is it line, circle, parabola, hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola, whatever it is, ellipse, every geometrical curve has its own differential equation. How it is, let us show. So this is the line equation. In this, what is the parameter? What is the dependent variable? What is independent variable? What is the parameter?
M parameter.
Parameter is M, sir.
Yeah, very good. Slope of the line. So which is always not unique, because see the, let us take one example. This x-axis, y-axis. This is zero origin అనుకుందాం. So origin ద్వారా వెళ్ళే ఏ లైన్ అయినా సరే, origin through origin, any line. These three lines have same model. Y is equal to mx. అంటే ఇక్కడ for this, what is the change of m will be changed. Slope, different slopes ఉన్నాయి. దీనికి స్లోప్ వేరు, దీని స్లోప్ వేరు, tan theta different. So different thetas we have different slopes. m1, m2, m3. Y is equal to m1x. Y is equal to m2x. So any line which is passed through origin have the form y is equal to mx. The m is slope of that line, which is not unique. This is which is arbitrary value, arbitrary constants or parametric value. So parameter ante not unique, which could be anything. Okay. So now let us differentiate this equation with respect to x, and both these side what we get. X so differentiate చేద్దాం the equation. Y dash is equal to, differentiating this with respect to x both this side, what we get?
M.
Y1 and y dash ante dy by dx is equal to m. Yeah. So now I am going to substitute this value in the given equation. అంటే m place లో y dash పెడతా. అంటే y is equal to x y dash, or y is equal to x into dy by dx. Means x dy minus y dx is equal to 0. So this is the differential equation, or this is the differential equation. Y minus x y dash is equal to 0. So this is one of the equation. This equation containing derivative. So derivative unda leda equation lo. Ante this is differential equation. But this is the differential equation of this line. So this is the differential equation of line. Ante geometrically ee equation చూడగానే మన లైన్ గుర్తు రావాలి. Oh, this is the differential equation of a line which is passed through origin. Not only line. Suppose let us take a circle తీసుకుందాం, ఒక సర్కిల్ తీసుకుందాం. x square plus y square is equal to r square. What type of circle is this, students?
Center at origin, sir.
Center at origin. The circle will be center 0. Okay. So now let us find the differential equation of this equation. This is one parameter family of circle. What is the parameter? Radius is parameter. So let us discuss. This is not only single circle. Like previous
Number of
Family of circles.
family of circle. Very good. This is family of circles, concentric circles. Okay. So circle with radius 1, circle with radius 2, circle with radius 3, all have same center 0. What is the parameter here? The difference is they have different radius. When r is equal to 1, when r is equal to 2, when r is equal to 3, and r is parameter. So this equation represents family of circles with the center 0 with the radius r, where r is arbitrary constant with the parametric value. So now let us find the differential equation of this circle. First step. ఇది 1 అనుకుందాం equation. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, both these sides. So whenever the given equation is given, first step is we have to differentiate that equation with the independent variable. Whatever the independent variable in that equation, use that variable. X తో differentiate చేయాలి. Okay. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ చేసాము 2x వస్తుంది 2x ప్లస్ 2y y dash is equal to the constant will be 0. అంటే 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే x plus y dash is equal to 0. Now this is the differential equation of circle equation formed because no need of elimination of the constant. మనం కాన్స్టెంట్ ఎలిమినేషన్ అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది ఆబ్వియస్లీ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ సర్కిల్. లెట్స్ టేక్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. పారాబోలా తీసుకుందాం. y square is equal to 4ax తీసుకుందాం పారాబోలా. Now for this parabola, what is the differential equation? This one అనుకోండి. So there are only two steps to form the differential equation of any curve. First step is differentiate the given curve equation with the independent variable x. Step 2, eliminate the constant. Simple. By eliminate the arbitrary constant from the given equation, we get the differential equation. Eliminate చేయాలి కాన్స్టెంట్ ని. ఇక్కడ a ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయండి సరిపోతుంది. Get any equation without a using calculus techniques. Then you get the corresponding differential equation. So first step, differentiating this with respect to x, what do we get? 2y y dash is equal to 4a. Step 1. ఇక్కడ a వాల్యూ ఎలిమినేట్, మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి a అంటే ఇక్కడ a ని రాయండి సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఆఫ్టర్ డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ ఫైండ్ a, యూజ్ దట్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో ఇక్కడ a రాసేమో మనకు ఇది 2
y dash by 2.
యా a is equal to y dash by 2 వస్తుంది. Substitute this a in the equation. Then what we get? Y square is equal to 4 into y dash by 2 into x. ఇక్కడ 4 2 వస్తుంది. సో ఫైనల్లీ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇక్కడ y క్యాన్సల్ అవుతుంది, y స్క్వేర్. సో ఫైనల్లీ ద రిమైనింగ్ థింగ్ ఈస్ y is equal to 2 into y dash into x. So y is equal to 2x y dash. So this is the differential equation of the given parabola. So this is called formation technique. You are studied about this technique in intermediate level already. Etla differential equation form చేయాలనేది you know very well. So differential equations of the given curve equations are obtained by eliminating their parametric values. Eliminating the arbitrary constants, we get differential equation. Okay, but how to solve it? So ఇంత ముందు మనం తీసుకున్న ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ y is equal to mx కు ఏమొచ్చిందమ్మా మనకు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్
y equal to y dash into x.
x y dash వచ్చింది అంతేనా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కర్వ్. ఇది 1 అనుకుందాం, ఇది 2 అనుకుందాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆరిజిన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. దీని సోర్స్ ఇది. బట్ why this is called differential equation of this curve? It is very simple, which is obtained from this. Means if we solve it, we supposed to get same equation. This solve చేసి మనకు ఇదే రావాలి. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చిందో, by solving that differential equation we have to go there, మళ్ళీ ఆరిజిన్ కి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. That is the technique, that is the meaning of solution. Solution means a relation between dependent and independent variables. Solution means the relation between dependent and independent variables of the differential equation. ఇక్కడ మనం ఫార్మేషన్ చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు సొల్యూషన్ చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు సో సొల్యూషన్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఫస్ట్ టేక్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, write it in the differential form, x into dy by dx రాసుకోండి. Then what is the technique you studied in intermediate level? దీన్ని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారమ్మా?
Integration.
Integrate.
ఇంటిగ్రేట్ యాడ్
dx by
చేస్తారా?
x equal to y by dy.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో బిఫోర్ టేక్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సపరేట్ ద వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ అంటే డిఎక్స్ సైడ్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్, డివై సైడ్ వై టర్మ్స్ తీసుకోండి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్, సెపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్. దెన్ ఇంటిగ్రేట్. ఓకే, సో ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ చేసేప్పుడు dy by y ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి, ఇది అక్కడ dy by y is equal to dx by x. Now integrate this. Taking integration on both this side, what do we get? Integration dx by x. చెప్పడమా?
Log y is equals to log x.
Log y with base e, log y is equal to log x plus,
Plus c.
this is indefinite integrals, amma. So we
Log
have
c.
the constants plus constant also we can write any constant. Constant is our choice. Log c does. Because both side log undi. So write the constant as log c. Now cancellation of log, what do we get?
Y is equals to xc.
Y is equal to cx. C బదులు m రాసుకోండి. Y is equal to mx. So we go to line equations. Then by solving this equation, we get same curve. Okay. So that is the meaning of solution. Solution gives the original curves. ముందు పారాబోలా తీసుకున్నాను. పారాబోలా వచ్చింది y is equal to 2xy dash. ఇది parabola. This is the differential equation of parabola. What is the origin of this equation? Y square is equal to 4ax. So by solving this, we supposed to get the same form. ఈ సాల్వ్ చేసి మనకు మళ్ళీ ఇదే కరువు రావాలి. అంటే సొల్యూషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ దేర్ కరెస్పాండింగ్ కర్వ్స్, జామెట్రికల్ కర్వ్స్. ఓకే, సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం దీన్ని. y is equal to 2x dy by dx. సేమ్ మళ్ళీ dy by 2 dy by y is equal to dx by x. Separable variable. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ dy by dx ఫార్మ్, డెరివేటివ్ ఫార్మ్, దెన్ separate the variables, dx side x terms, dy side y terms, then integrate. Integrating which what we get? 2 dy by y is equal to now again differentiate ఏమో integrate చేసి 2 log y log x plus log c. Right? Now cancellation of log, what we get? Y square is equal to cx. C అంటే 4a. 4ax. Simple. Y square is equal to some x. This is parabolic curve. C ఉంటే c ప్లేస్ 4a పెట్టుకోండి. 4k is our choice. C ని మనం ఇక్కడ 4 by c by 4 రాసుకోవచ్చు. 4 into c by 4. c by 4 is a. Right? Again we got parabol. Okay? So formation and solution. Formation means obtaining an equation using by elimination of the constants from the given curve. Solution means finding the relation between dependent variable and independent variable, and nothing but solution means non-differential relation. An equation which does not contains derivatives. Differential equation means an equation which containing derivatives. Solution of the differential equation means without derivatives. We are finding the relation, solution, equation without the derivatives. Okay? So differential equation and its types of differential equation, and the nature of differential equation, order మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. Order, still now we discuss what is the differential equation meaning, what is the order of the differential equation, what is the degree of the differential equation, and what is the meaning of linear differential equation, what is the meaning of non-linear differential equation. Okay, and last one, how to form the differential equation, formation. Next, solution. So next class we will discuss some exact differential equation, non-exact differential equation, and some types of various types of first order differential equation which discuss next class lo how to solve them. Okay, now I'm going to Got it.
This call is now being recorded.
So all of you give your attendance in chat box. You can leave.